कौशिका एस, कादंबरी आर, कृतिका ए, लेखा बी, महालक्ष्मी बी, मगेश्वरी एम, मणिकंदन एम, मनोज एस, मीनाल के आर, नर्मदा ई, नर्मदा देवी के, नवमणिराज एम, निवेदिता टी, प्रतिभा एस, प्रियदर्शिनी एम, प्रियंका टी, प्रियदर्शिनी एस, रामकृष्णन आर, साई प्रभावती टी, संगीत वीणा एम, षण्मुख प्रिया एन, श्रीदेवी यामिनी टी, स्वातिका आर, विनोद कुमार बी, योगेश्वरन बी, यूसुफ ए, युवप्रिया बी, वासुकी एम, रम्या आर, संतोष आर, अनुज कुमार। बीएससी कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी अभिरामी बी, अनीता जी, एंटनी राज सी, बालाजी जी, गौतमी के, गौतमी एन, हरिता ए, जोसेफ चेराल डी ए, कनकराज के, काव्या एसपी, लीना सीजे, नीलू प्रभा पी, नित्या बी, निवेदिता ए, निविन सेल्वम पी, निव्या के, पवित्रा एस, प्रजत बी, प्रशांत आर, राघव रमना बी, सपना मेबल एस, सरण्या पी, सरण्या बी, सत्या ई, सत्यप्रिया एन, सविता बी, शालिनी आर, षण्मुखप्रिया एन, शर्मिला के, सिंधुमणि एम, सुदर्शनन एन, तिलकवती आर, पिजो वर्गीस के, विद्यालक्ष्मी सी, अंजलि के एस, Divya G, Shri Danya, Rizwana Parveen.
Present until 28 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Master of Science in Electronics and Communication Systems, 32 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Communication Systems, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Balliya University. Anthony Pradesh, Arun Prakash, Arun Prasad, Arun, Ashwini, Ashwati, Vivin Chandran, Hari Prakash, Kalishwari, Kirti, Lalita, Mahalakshmi, Nagesh Kumar, Mano Bharati, Pradeep Kumar, Preeti, Radhika, Rajkumar, Silvajyoti, Shalini, Shruti, Sudeep, Sudarshan, Yagarajan, Abhinaya, Gautaman, Ilambam Roshan Singh, and Baby Sita. BSc Electronics, Anita,
4253.
Anisha, Augustine, Darshan Prashant, Gautaman, Harita, Aishwarya, Lakshmi Priya, Nandini, Nandini P, Narmada, Nitina, Ramesh, Revati, Rose Jennifer, Safura Nausin, Santosh, Sharanya, Satya Hassan, Subulakshmi, Veena, Yogeshwaran, Arati, Asha Ramesh, Gayatri, Lavanya, Manoj, Saranya, Said Punit, Vignesh Prabhu, Vivek Paul. Danya.
Now I call upon Dr. Malika Begum, Head of the Department of Biosciences, to present unto you the candidates of MSc Biotechnology, MSc Bioinformatics, BSc Microbiology and BSc Biotechnology.
I, Dr. Malika Begum, Head Department of Biosciences, present unto you 19 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Master of Science in Biotechnology, 5 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Master of Science in Bioinformatics, 14 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology, 5 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Microbiology, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bardiyar University. Aishwarya, Amrita, Ashley Haridasan, Hanish Mohammed, Nandakumar, Narendran, Nikhil, Lakshmi, Purnima Prakash, Prasad, Praveen Kumar, Ramya, Shamin Raj, Sri Lakshmi, Swati, Tariq, Meena Alamelu, Deepa, Jayanti. MSc Informatics, Dinesh Kumar, Harish, Nitya, Sati Priya, Shafa. BSc Biotechnology, Gayatri P, Helen, Janita Tambi, Mohna Priya, Narmada, Nazim, Nitya Lakshmi, Ramya Devi, Samya J, Susan and Jane, Vinita, Mahalakshmi, Sri Devi Sasikumar, Janita. BSc Microbiology, Divya, Kannada Sabapati, Krishnaveni, Saranya, Vinodini. Thank you.
Now I call upon Professor P. Yashoda, Head of the Department of Costume Design and Fashion, to present unto you the candidates of BSc Costume Design and Fashion.
I, P. Yashoda, Head Department of Costume Design and Fashion, present unto you 20 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Costume Design and Fashion, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bardiyar University. Evelyn Thomas, Arundhati P, Deepthi R, Deepthi M, Hazina, Josna Srinivasan, Nishita C, Preeta P, Rekha R, Rizwana Pavin, Sajna Muhammad, Saranya, Sindhuja Devi, Srilan, Sujit KS, Upasana Bimal Cholera, Vaishali V, Visalakshi T.S., Nandita Bakshan, Roshni M.
Now I call upon Professor S.P. Krishnamurthy, Head of the Department of Mathematics, to present unto you the candidates of BSc Catering Science and Hotel Management.
I, S.P. Krishnamurthy, Head Department of Mathematics, present unto you 10 candidates from the Faculty of Science for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Catering Science and Hotel Management, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bharatiya University. Sajeev S, Arun Clement, Avinash Vijayan, Basil Benny, Jobin Rajan, Roshin Jagab, Arun Kumar, Anson Johnson, Tony Bobby, Prashant B. Thank you.
Now I call upon Professor T. Usha Rani, Head of the Department of Commerce, to present unto you the candidates of BCom.
I, Head Department of Commerce, present unto you 32 candidates from the Faculty of Commerce for the degree of Bachelor of Commerce who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bharatiya University. Abdul Rahman A, Chembay S. Arjun, Deepak Kumar M, Deepika R, Dhanraj M, Danya G, Kartika S, Kartik R, Kritika S, Madan Kumar K, Mohammad Shafiq M, Pavitra KR, Purnima B, Prabhu A, Raj Sridhar P, Shabri Kartik S, Sai Kumar S, Sandhya G, Sandhya B, Sharanya NR, Shiva G, Shruti R, Sindhu M, Sindhuja Devi P, Sundaram BB, Vinodini J, Vishnudeep B, Yamini M, Harsha BS, Jaygan M, Anand AV, Kartikeyan. Thank you.
Now I call upon Professor N. Sumati, Head of the Department of Commerce in Computer Application, to present unto you the candidates of BCom Computer Application.
I am Sumati, Head Department of Commerce with Computer Application, present unto you 80 candidates from the Faculty of Commerce for the degree of Bachelor of Commerce with Computer Application who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bharatiya University. Suresh M, Ahmed Wahid, Anand S, Anuja Chidambaram, Deepa S, Felix Franklin, Girja, Gomati M, Harini S, Jagan Prakash, Jasmila, Jesli J, Kalachelvi, Kanishka, Karthik P, Lakshmi Narayanan S, Menaka S, Neetu Jayan, Nishant Balu, Nitya, Pradeep B, Priyadashni K, Ramya S, Risalat Khan, Samantha Nancy Vansfall, Saranya K, Sindhu S, Subhashini B, Suhail Hasan, Suhail Hussain, Suraj, Sweta, Varun Ramakrishnan, Vigneshwaran M, Vigneshwaran R, Vimal Xavier, Vinod C, Vishnu V, Vivek A, Abarna S, Pratika S, Anand Kumar S, Anthony Stephen, Ashok N, Balaji V, Joycey Princey, Kandan Balaji, Kartika Shri, Kaushik, Gautami, Mahsur Rahman, Manoj Kumar, Mohammed Ghazali, Mohammed Sulaiman, Nagavel S, Nandini D, Nirmal K, Pradeep V, Prashant K, Priyadashni N, Raghavendra, Ram Prasad, Ranjit, Rupesh, Samsudin, Sanfir, Sangeeta R, Sanoof, Sharda Iyer, Saravanan, Shadaf Parveen, Sunitra, Vidya S, Vinod Kumar S, Vinod M, Yashir Arafat, Vaishak, Govind Kumar R.
Now I call upon Professor T. Kalakumari, Head of the Department of Commerce with Information Technology, to present unto you the candidates of BCom Information Technology.
I, T. Kalakumari, Head Department of Commerce with Information Technology, present unto you 38 candidates from the Faculty of Commerce for the degree of Bachelor of Commerce with Information Technology who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bardya University. Another applicant B. Arun Karthik, Ashok Kumar, Danny Joseph, Dinesh Jagan, Divya, Gayatri D, Gokul R, Hari Krishnan N.R., John Paul K.L., Krishna Kumar C.S., Balan Kumar P., Mahanitya H., Madhu Pandian N., Meshalini S., Naveen J., Parvada Vatani K., Prashant R., Premchand C., Priyambir S., Rajesh D., Ramesh Krishnan R., Ranjit M., Renisha A., Saranya M., Sasi Rekha K., Selvamani R., Sharmila Devi G., Sukanya G., Suresh Kumar A., Tirupati Swami B., Vichitra B., Vishnuvardhan B., Rajalakshmi Jayaraman, Revati M., Revati A., Soumya P. Thank you.
Now I call upon Dr. Rajagopal Babu, Head of the Department of Management Science with Computer Application, to present unto you the candidates of BBM Computer Application.
I, Dr. Rajagopal Babu, Head Department of Management Science with Computer Applications, presents unto you 37 candidates from the Faculty of Management for the degree of Bachelor of Business Administration with Computer Application who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bardya University. Afin Matthew, Anupama M. Muni, Aswin S. Dharmaraj, Eldo B. Joy, Fasila Begum, A. Kavita, B. Kritika, B. Krishna Kumar, C. Lakshmanan, S. Makesh Kumar, K.P. Mohanesh Nair, M. Naslin, G. Niveta, S. Radhika, U. Ranjit, Regana F. Regine M.R. Sai Prabhu B. Satyapriya K. Selva Sabari S. Saran Kumar Singh, Sindhu V. Sivakumar S. Subramanya A. K. Tarika, V. Vaishnavi, N. Vimalesh, A. Vincia Sona, Yogeshwaran K. Geeta G. S. Gaudam, Aftab Muhammad, Rajesh Kumar M, R. Vishnu Raj, Yasser Arafat, Yatush Kumar, yes. Thank you.
Now I call upon Professor T. Nagaprakash, Head of the Department of Management Science, to present unto you the candidates of Bachelor of Business Management.
I, Nagaprakash T. Head, Department of Management Sciences, present unto you 29 candidates from the Faculty of Management for the degree of Bachelor of Business Management who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bharatiya University. Annie Joyce J. Aravind Venkadatri, Aravind K. Bharanidharan K. Vivita V. Divya R. Elizabeth C.F. Isaiah M.